I greet you now, my people. Oh, I welcome you to another episode of Excel in Pidgin. Excel in Pidgin when ProTech consult they run. Today, I want make we learn one lookup function when they call HLOOKUP. One special formula wey go help you find things fast for horizontal tables. If you notice now, the tables they spread out in rows. Like look at them. You see them, normally you will see all this information when they for this left side. They normally spread for top like this. Today like this day, and this kind of table they get how they take find things inside, and that's why we go use HLOOKUP. Okay, now for instance, now we need to find this lookup value PR00147. We want to know how much this employee ID, this employer when get this employee ID, how much they collect. To find them is not difficult, and why we will need HLOOKUP be that.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Firstly, we will type equal to HLOOKUP. The lookup value now this one already. You click on like this. Table array now all our table now be our array. Now we go put mark on like this. You don't get your table array be that. Row index number. If you remember, for VLOOKUP we go do column index number, but for HLOOKUP we go do row index number. So which row where salary day, we'll count them from top to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So salary day for row 6. We'll put them like this. If I ask us, are we looking for appropriate approximate match or the exact match? We define exact match. Enter like this. Don't go to the so it means say this person. But if you notice, this one carry naira, and this person here, see am for here. No be naira I carry, na dollar I carry. How if you change them? No be problem at all. I will show you how to change them. You move and come up here. This accounting, you come here. Change them for, put them for dollars. So they do them.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Wait a minute.